Welcome back. So today's video is a follow-up video to a Hoover Spotless video I made replacing a pump. And there was a problem in that video. It was incomplete. There was a hose that I didn't know where the hose went. I was there, trying to figure things out. And I also left a lot of our viewers trying to figure things out on their own too. So I have to apologize to all of you that I left you hanging on that one. So I decided to make this video. All right. So let's take this apart first, and I took the screws out already, and I'm going to show you. When you see when you see where this hose, where it goes, I think you'll laugh. Besides being mad at me, you'll laugh. So let's take this part off first. Okay. All right. So let me pull this out. If you notice, there's a little hole, there's a little port right here. All right, it's like a vacuum thing. So I'm just put it back. Okay, and this is where the suction is. The flow of suction is going through here, and then this is where your dirty water is coming into your tank. All right, and this is your pump hose. This is another hose that you have to consider. This is your hose from from the main hose. This is your tubing from the main suction hose, and then okay, so now this particular hose, see that? It leads this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, and voila, ends up nowhere. Look at it. So that's it. So for those of you who haven't figured it out, you did the right thing if all you did was just let the hose lay in there, because that's exactly how it came. And I guess when I took it apart the first time, I didn't pay attention to that. And I was like, man, this hose has to go somewhere. It has to go somewhere. I mean, it can't just go nowhere. But the only thing I can say is probably to relieve some of the pressure. Not really, maybe kind of not have the suction so strong, maybe. Or if there's a runoff, let's say you overfilled your dirty water tank, and maybe some of the water was about to go into the motor. Maybe it's designed to help some of that runoff. I don't think so. I'll be honest with you, that last one, because if the motor is pulling that water and nothing is pulling on the hose, then the water is definitely going to make it to the motor. So anyway, that's where the hose goes. Okay, guys. So hopefully that answers the question. And I do welcome all your questions. And then also, guys, if you do have a request for certain videos that you want to play, you want me to do, make your request. Some of them I can get to, some I can't. But I'd love to continue to do this for you guys. All right. So please like and subscribe. And share. I don't know why I got stuck on that one. And thanks for all the support. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Have a happy new year, and make sure that you guys stay safe out there. Okay. And that's it. I'll see you next year. Bye.